Ladies and gentlemen, it is your Bobby case study time again. Today's offer is Canyon Watch app. Its ID is 4385, I'm sorry. And then have a look at the reasons why we want to choose this offer. There are two reasons here. The first one is Canyon has a population of 30 million. And the second reason is that Watch app is a good offer. It is easy to convert. So we want to choose this offer to test. And then have a look at the description of this offer first. You can see that this offer has a $0.45 per conversion payout. And it has a specific area. And the operation system is for all. And the offer converts when the user views the landing page and enters their phone number and then the conversion pixel files. So this is all about the description of this offer. After you have bear in mind the offer's description, you should choose the ad network you prefer. At this time we choose AppPush and Varsity, and we all bid $0.01 and we target Safaricom and all devices. And then have a look at the testing by our media buy group. You can see that there are two creatives here. The first one is text. It says, chat with Watch app users. Check now. It has CTR has 8.44% CTR. As for the banners on Varsity, its CTR is 0.75%. And after the testing, we find out that on both the ad network we earn some money. So you have to figure out a way to optimize this offer to earn more money. But before the optimization, you should look at the data analyzation or YAML-based system. Then have a look at the data here. You can see that in total this offer has generated 65 conversions. Its CTR, its EPC is 0.03. And then have a look at the different performance of the different ad network. Obviously, on AppPush, it has the most conversions. So, in order to get more traffic regarding this offer, I recommend that you should test this offer on more ad network. So this is all about the performance of this offer.